Don't you hate putting 5 hours of work into an edit, then uploading it to TikTok only to see that the quality got completely destroyed? Well, I do. Because it doesn't only make you seem like you're a goofy ass CapCut editor, but it also results in your video completely flopping. Because let's be honest, if I was the algorithm, I wouldn't promote this either. So they will guide you step by step throughout the process of sustaining your quality even after uploading to social media. So that hopefully by the end of this video, your edits will turn from looking like this into looking like this. And now the first mistake you might actually be doing is getting the clips the completely wrong way. Now if you want to make an edit, you're obviously going to need clips. But it's very important that you don't just go on YouTube and screen record the clips from your favorite movie. Because this way there's going to be a lot of compression happening, meaning the actual quality of the video is going to be reduced. What you want to do instead is directly download the scenes from their source. A very good and efficient way of doing this is getting a scene pack account, whether it be on Instagram, YouTube or Discord. It doesn't really matter. Essentially what they do is they cut up all the important scenes from a certain character, from a certain movie or show in a good quality, so you can just download the whole scene pack and then cut out the scenes you want. This will not only make your editing faster, but also improve the quality a lot. Because again, we don't want to be equal to CapCut editors. I'll leave you some links to good scene pack accounts in the description. And now once you're on After Effects and you take a look at your scenes you just downloaded, you should already realize they look a lot better and it's not comparable to the start anymore. And now the next thing we definitely want to do, which I see a lot of new editors neglect, is add a good color correction. Basically what this does, as the name already reveals, it just corrects the color a bit and makes the end result a lot better. It will not only improve the sharpening, saturation and brightness of the clip, but also change the whole vibe and make it a lot more satisfying to watch. And if you yourself want to get this exact preset you can see on the screen right now, make sure to check out the first thing in the description because I'm still currently running a huge sale in my shop. You can get up to 70% off of this preset and a lot other that I use to make my quality look the best as possible. So stop being a CapCut editor and check it out right now. And if you want to learn how to make a color correction for yourself, check this video in the top right corner. And as I already said, this is one of the most important steps because later on it will help us sustain our good quality even after uploading to social media. It just adds a lot of detail and is a must-have for every editor. Now once you gotten your video looking real juicy and fresh, we now obviously have to get this juicy quality out of After Effects. To do that, we're just simply gonna export the edit. I personally like to just use the normal built-in After Effects render option, and to use that, just head to the top row under composition, select add to render queue, and now we're gonna start by pressing onto the output module, and for the format just select QuickTime. Once that's done, press OK. That's all we have to do. Now just select your output, meaning where you want your edit to be saved, and once that's done, just click on render. Now rendering might take a while depending on how fast your PC is, but once that's done, you might realize that your file size is very big, and I mean like huge. And obviously if we upload an edit with this file size to TikTok, the quality is gonna be completely compressed. And now the trick actually is compressing the file size on your behalf, so that TikTok doesn't have to do it for you. This way we can avoid the TikTok compression, and trust me, you don't want to go through that. So to compress our file size, we can either use Handbrake or Media Encoder. In this case, I'm going to use Handbrake. And once you've opened the Handbrake, make sure to just go ahead and drag the video you want to compress into Handbrake. And once it has loaded, it should look something like this with a short preview here and a lot of settings. And now the settings within here, they are very important because obviously we want to keep the quality as high as possible and the file size as low as possible without losing any quality. So we're going to start by heading to dimensions, and instead of the resolution limit being 1080p HD, we're going to put that to 4K. Now make sure the cropping is set to none, and now head to filters. We're going to go all the way down and under color space, select BT.709. This guy must be a fan of me. And now we're going to go to video, and this is the most important step because in here it's going to decide how much quality your video has and how big the file size is going to be. But before we get to that, we obviously want to make sure that our frame rate is constant and put it as the same as our source. Now head to the quality slider, and whatever value you put here is going to be extremely dependent on your video. The higher you go with this value, the lower the file size will be, but also the quality of the video will drop immensely. And on the other hand, the lower you go, the bigger your file size is going to be, but the more quality you're going to end up having. So I would always recommend to play around with these settings a bit and see what fits best for your video and your file size. I usually like to go a bit lower than 22 to really keep up that quality. I'm going to put it to 8, and once that's done, you're going to go ahead and select the output again, and then just head to the top row and select the red button that says start encode. Again, this might take a while depending on how fast your computer is and how long your edit is. And now obviously the last and most crucial step is going to be uploading our edit to social media. And trust me, I have seen some wild conspiracy theories about how you should upload your edits. People saying you need to get a different SIM card, use a VPN, or upload from your refrigerator. But let me tell you real quick, it's not that deep. Just go ahead and open the TikTok upload page in your browser. Now drag in the video you want to upload, and once that's done, you can just edit all the things, tag people, add hashtags, add a cover. And once all this is done, just click on post. So yeah, it's really that simple. You don't need an extra SIM card, you don't need a microwave that runs TikTok. All you need to do is go to your browser and upload the edit. And if you made your edit on PC, I would also always make sure to upload my edit from PC, because if you transfer your edit to your phone, it's also going to come with some compression, because you have to imagine while sending the edit from your PC to your phone, it's going to lose some quality. So if you have the opportunity, always upload from your PC. Watch this tutorial if you want to learn how to edit, subscribe for more, and Assalamu alaikum, see you next time.